I'm Jen from the Chronicles of Home, and I want to talk to you today about Raymour and Flanigan, which has become one of my favorite sources for home furnishings. I've now decorated 2 rooms in my house around pieces from Raymour and Flanigan, and I want to share a little bit with you today about my experience and what I think of their quality and service. In the interest of full disclosure, Raymour and Flanigan has compensated me to create this video. However, I have chosen to work with them twice to decorate 2 rooms in my house where I live, and everything that I'm about to share with you is sincere, my honest opinion, none of it is scripted. The first room I decorated in my house with Raymour and Flanigan was my family room, which is where I am sitting right now. I have a very long family room, and I decided to create 2 separate but connected seating areas, the first of which is anchored by 2 Claudella sofas where I'm sitting right now. I was able to go to my local store and see these sofas, sit on them. They are so comfortable and extremely budget friendly. Across the room in the second seating area, I used 2 leather Berkley chairs, which are a mix of classic and modern. The Claudella sofas have a traditional English roll arm, which I absolutely love, but I also love that blend of modern and classic in my decor. Now, since both the sofas and the chairs are stock items, they were available for delivery within 3 days. All of Raymour and Flanigan's in-stock items are available for delivery within 3 days, 7 days a week. I also chose 2 accent tables that were special order items, the Beckwourth coffee table and the Matthes console table. They have a very rustic look. They're made from reclaimed wood, but beautiful lines, and they provided just the edge I was looking for with such traditional sofas in the room. I was so pleased with my experience working with Raymour and Flanigan, both the showroom associates and the quality of the pieces that I used, that when it came time to renovate my basement, I turned to Raymour and Flanigan again. I planned for the basement to function as a second family room, a place where we could watch movies, play games. It's also a playroom for my daughters. So for the sofa, I knew I wanted something big and comfortable. I decided on the Kipling 4-piece sectional. The Kipling line is another stock item. It comes in so many different combinations to suit the shape and space that you have. It's a really family-friendly microfiber fabric with a slight herringbone pattern to it. It's simple and classic, a little bit modern, and has been the perfect spot for us to hang out as a family together. I also wanted an accent chair in the basement, and when I saw the Brooks chair, love at first sight. It has a slight Adirondack style, so it's really comfortable to sit in. It has neutral colors. It doesn't take over the room, but it's a chair you're going to notice. It's different than anything I've seen elsewhere. For the coffee table, I picked up the Alana marble coffee table. It has really clean, beautiful lines. It's heavy. The top is solid marble. It's really substantial, and it has a beautiful open steel base. Easy to clean, another family-friendly piece in a basement that is used by my family. And the last piece from Raymour and Flanigan that I added to the basement was the Bellagio End Table. I was looking for something a little bit chunky that would balance out the other colors and materials I used in the room, and I knew when I saw it that it was just right. Having now worked with Raymour and Flanigan twice in 2 complete room makeovers, I really feel like I know their company, their products. They have something for every style, every budget. Their customer service is top-notch. I really couldn't love the 2 rooms that I decorated with their furniture more than I do, and I would work with them again in a heartbeat. You can bet next room makeover I have, they'll be my first stop. Thank you for watching this video today. Please make sure to check out Raymour and Flanigan's YouTube page for more inspiration.